Make it Stephanie. How do you like that, Stephanie? So yeah, that's got to put you right in it. But I'll go through this so we can help each other in case we forget. It was previously, yep. And out of curiosity, is it tethered to like her personal login? Like we can't share a login? Is her official Columbus State login that gets her into this? Okay. All right. That's fine. Thank you. Videos too? Videos also? Okay. We have that exact same document that we're ready to upload, actually. It will show up for the DDG one, the IMM one, and the digital photography one. Yep. Is this live right here? Yo, you're showing me what's alive on the website. I missed this because we need to update that department name. Oh, nice. Perfect. Oh, wait a minute. Where was the secret button? Yeah, yeah. I see that. Did you hear that, Stephanie? Yeah. Yeah. Think of this as radio. You got to go step by step, man. Digital, just digital art media. So put the word digital in front of it. It removed digital art media and design. What the fuck? What is it? Digital art media and design. Yeah, digital art media and design. That's it. Oh, with a floppy disk icon. Awesome. Gotcha. Gotcha. Now did that automatically happen, or it's waiting for your approval? Perfect. Yep. Like preview. That's like a preview button. Oh. Okay. 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 Sure. So, so I remember you just said that I would need to have you put the video in, but I was curious since it has those HTML lesser than and greater than symbols. If I had the HTML code from a YouTube video, could I just click that link and copy the HTML code from the YouTube and then just come here? You mean through this system? Like they are on my phone, like from YouTube, but I gotcha. No, yeah, I'd like to see because usually I go to share. Um, Slow. It's a busy day. But yeah, I click on the share and then I click on the what is it, embed? Yeah, embed, and then I just hit copy and take all of it. You can hit the copy button at the bottom. Is there some kind of like short code I could add in to make that responsive? Of course, not for nothing. It was playing so small. That would be smaller than any iPhone or any phone, right? Oh, but you're saying it wouldn't expand to fill the phone. It wouldn't look as good as it could. I see. Oh, if they held it one way or another. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, sorry. Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh, so I can link internally within this site, or I could, and so, um, what would have happened if we had copied and pasted the just the URL to the YouTube instead of embedding it? What would that have done? Oh, so we wouldn't have seen a picture or anything. Oh, okay. Now in Blackboard, do you see that open in current window thing? In Blackboard, there we get a warning if we don't change that to open link in new window. See there in the middle? Do we have to worry about that here? Okay. All right. Good enough. Right. Sure. Yes. Okay. It's more fun training. Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Sure. Okay, much like a word thing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Show me that a couple more times. This is the video thing's gonna be really important because I would love to put up semesterly, like, hey, this is what this new course is about. So it'd be on a website that I can then steal the URL to include in my email to the students so they can follow the breadcrumbs back to this. So if that's all there is to put a video in, I'm happy to do that. I mean, I know you'll still need to watch the video, make sure it's okay. Yeah, everything you've shown so far, I understand. How about you, Stephanie? Have you have experience with this? Perfect. So yeah, if you could show me how I could steal a YouTube video I found or created, probably just created. So for copyright issues, how to put whatever I create in here so it's responsive the way you need it to be for more mobile stuff. Exactly, responsive design. Up to its So after the / of embed, all the way to the question mark. Oh, so everything after the equal sign. And you're leaving the question mark. So it's just between the / and the question mark that you grab that stuff after the equal sign. Okay, well that's not that hard. Is that in your notes or should I write this down? Or no, it's being recorded. Never mind. It's being recorded, so I'm gonna go back and rewatch that because that's a very simple thing to do, but you got to do it in that sequence. How were you just type "this is my device"? Could I have like a paragraph there? That's fine. I just want it auto push everything down, whatever. Perfect. Okay. Okay, perfect. Good enough. So none of this is live until you click an approval button, right? So we never have to worry about putting something up by accident. Okay. Tell you what I did or what we did? Sure. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. That's a good tip. I see they're dated. Okay. Good. Oh, actually, that actually speaks to something. Could we do it so that it's scheduled to appear, and then when it's going to be done in whatever time frame, it disappears? Okay, I gotcha. Sure. Like the MCT, what is that? That's not our department. What does that stand for? Media. Oh, I no, I do. I do. That's our old department name from 2 departments ago. That was media creation and tech. So yeah, we need to change that. We can do that, or you have to do that. Sure. Yeah. We definitely should do it. And then we shouldn't have to do it anymore. We can track down where it all is, though. We can do that for you. What's that? they keep changing our department. Like, we used to have marketing and logistics with us, but then they yanked those out. They keep reorganizing us. Like, we're with our second division. Like, we just got a new dean not even less than a year ago. Like, the college keep moving us around and then disbanding what we have. So we try to rename our area for what we're representing. So now we just have interactive multimedia, graphic design, and photography. So, and we wanted to make sure that there's a difference between us and the fine art people. That's why we changed it from art medium design to digital art medium design. So there's a clear differentiation between we're commercial art, retail art, and they're fine art. There's always some debacle happening. Okay. All right. Lovely. So great. So I can actually say, hey, can I have an extra page that has this on it, like the thing you're showing me now, and we want, here's what we want. That's wonderful. Oh no, I definitely want your finger in it. No, I totally get it. It's a branded message. So the one you just showed me was really cool, where it had the little itty. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm doing things with my fingers and I have my camera off. So it was where I had the little itty bitty pictures side by side by side. Like, I like that from the standpoint of, could those little itty bitty pictures actually be video thumbnails, and like the purpose of it would be like, hey, these are the top 6 courses in photography. But yeah, like, imagine if we had 6 of those, or even 9. Like, these are, each one represented like an intro video about what a course is about, so a student could come here and just like preview what the course is about, what kind of book they'd need, what materials they need, just like a commercial. Could it be a little video as opposed to a still image, but that small? I've seen some other schools do that, and it looks really cool. Yeah, exactly, just like that. But they would be like, oh, I can't do that. That's where I was like, hey, this is what I want, and I give you the mock-up, and you make it happen. Friendly. That's awesome. Great. That's super. Yeah, we're trying to figure out ways to grow our enrollment. We'd like to break. We just broke 1,500 just for our department seats. So that's duplicated headcount, of course. But yeah, we're trying to do some things to get 2,000 duplicated headcount by end of autumn of 24. And it's all digital marketing, I think. Ironic, right? That's even more ironic. That is even more ironic. So, but we've had some really positive changes in our department as of recently, like dramatically positive things. So we have a really tight, excited crew to do fun things that I think we're just going to feed off of each other, So yeah, we'll be reaching out to harass you on the regular. I'm kidding, not that bad, but thanks for your time. Yeah, and we'll just do it incrementally. Like, we'll start slow. So email us whatever you need, and throw up Stephanie's name, and then she and I will just work together, and I'll come in and work beside her for the first little iterations, and get stuff going. Hey, thanks, man.